up, son? Look at this goddamn mess. Why the fuck you ain't cleaned up? Look at this mess. I had a long, hard, hot day at work, and I can't come home to a clean house.
At McDonald's?
Pussy, I make fries and I flip burgers all day. Why do I can't come home to a clean house?
You only been gone 3 hours. You work part-time.
I don't give a fuck if I was gone 3 minutes. I expect this house to be clean when I get here, bitch.
I mean, this ain't really a 3-minute job, though.
3-minute job? A 3-minute job? Are you fucking serious? Nigga, my dishes ain't washed. I got empty jugs everywhere. Nigga, this been here since we moved in a year ago. It ain't fucking moved. I tell you every day to clean it out, and you ain't done it yet. Now you sit in this house all day and don't pay no bills. I asked you to clean up my house, and you can't do it. What kind of shit is that?
I mean, you don't really pay the bills either. You get, like, grandma.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck if I'm getting Section 8. You clean up my motherfucking house before I get home, boy. I'm not fucking playing with you about this shit no more. I'm gonna start coming home and I'm gonna start drop kicking your ass.
I got spaghetti sauce and no spaghetti.
You wanna ask a bunch of these motherfucking questions about why we ain't never got 2 things that match? Bitch, go to the store and steal us some spaghetti strings. I don't have no money.
You lose the job, you ain't got the money, man.
Cause I'm too busy still feeding your overgrown ass. You 24 years old still living under my roof. You just like your mama, a lazy bitch.
I'm
23, 24, 29, you too damn old to be living in my house, son. That's what the fuck I'm saying.
I mean, this is my house.
Your mama don't pay shit here. Your mama don't do a damn thing. She ain't worth a motherfucking quarter. Don't talk to me about that, bitch. I'ma keep bitch slapping her motherfucking ass every fucking night. Because she's a sorry, worthless ass whore. Sorry, worthless ass whore. And I dare you to say something. I dare you to say something. Speak up. Speak up. Come on.
You drink.
Come on. Do your mama drink while she at work? Say something, you little bitch. Say something. Clean up my motherfucking kitchen, man. I shouldn't have to come home to this shit every fucking day. Oh, you want to turn the motherfucking music up while I'm standing right there. This nigga want to turn the motherfucking music up. I'll kick your motherfucking ass, boy. Who the fuck you think you are? You fucking porch monkey. You fucking bitch ass nigga. That's what the fuck you are. You look just like your great-great-grandfather Jesse. You a fucking slave with all that fucking hair on your head. Looking like Captain Crunch and shit. That fucking mustache. You ugly, two-skinny bitch. Fat pussy. You sorry sack of shit. Your ugly ass toes. You ain't worth a quarter, nigga.
I hope you didn't want these.
What would you put empty routers back up there for? You throw the empty box in the fucking trash. Or do you not know where the trash is at? Matter of fact, just set it with everything else, you fucking pussy.
I just thought it was surprising.
Surprise me. Oh, I got a surprise for your motherfucking ass. You got 2 days to get the fuck out of my motherfucking house. Bitch. 2 fucking days. Or I'm coming back here with the sheriffs and we dragging your bitch ass out. Yeah, nod away. Nod away. Nod away. Nod away, you fucking tar baby. Nod away. Nod away.
Take a shower.
Nod away. What? Did I what?
I said, did you take a shower in the sink?
I wipe my ass with that towel. You wanna watch me do it again? We ain't got no toilet paper. I had to use something. You want me to go to work with clods and shit up my ass? Is that what you want me to do? Huh? You fucking zoo monkey. That's what the fuck you are. You a fucking zoo. You look like a fucking gorilla. What kind of man, what kind of black man wears his mustache like that? Bitch, you look like Hitler with an afro. Get this shit out of my fucking face. You fucking bitch. Alistair Crowley looking ass Illuminati ass bitch. That's what the fuck you are. You worthless tramp. Just like your mama. You a